Welcome to 80-20-80 Gray Road 40, 2+ acres, well cared for property. Follow this winding road through these tall pines. This custom home makes a lasting first impression. This covered porch runs the length of the whole home. Come on inside, let's take a look. Soaring ceilings and natural woodwork created a warm and inviting atmosphere. Why don't you take a look at some of the amazing views from this balcony? So we've got a 24-foot by 30-foot double car garage plus lean-to for unlimited storage and an attic to store to. And we've got a 30-foot by 40-foot recently built workshop. Every detail's been meticulously taken care of. Come on in. And for those cool and fall evenings, enjoy a campfire and stargaze to your heart's content.